It's snowing outside so bad. Yeah, they sent me home from work early, and that never happens, so you know it must be pretty bad out when I'm not working. The door's kind of got ice and snow all over it. Woo, can't see shit, Captain. I just drove this thing literally an hour ago, and the windows are already iced up. Oh.
That was fun.
What?
Walking to here.
Oh, how is knee deep?
Yes.
I told you.
I was like, whoa, okay. You can't really see. Try to be careful.
No.
Yes. You have your four-wheel drive on or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
We wouldn't probably even get out of the parking lot.
Oh, and we're already doing fish chills anyway. All right. Nolan, be safe.
I'm safe.
I have insurance, but like, don't want to use it. We're going to see Nolan's girlfriend.
She's not there. She didn't answer the phone.
Oh.
She's not my girlfriend.
She must be home taking care of you guys as kids.
I can't see anything.
I can't see either.
That's a good sign.
It could be a deer or a car.
I don't think so.
You have your lights on. Okay.
No.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Oh shit, I was gonna take a video to take back to the library. Oh. It's not bad. It's just blowy. I feel like it just blowed a whole bunch.
It's not just blowy.
Yeah, I feel like I live in Alaska. I feel like we're in Alaska right now. You're doing this on purpose. You're gonna smash us into the side of the road.
You gotta hope the car doesn't come.
Yeah. Ah! Ah! You turn it. It's Blockbuster time. Blockbuster's still open. I told you. I worked retail. They're always open. You wanna get a movie? Movie time. Ah! Just park like this.
I'm going to.
Who else is gonna come in? I don't know. It's some guy.
Oh, fuck.
Have fun.
Yeah.
Close the door. Nolan's girlfriend isn't there. Just some bald fat guy. This is how strong Nolan's love for pizza is. Oh, is that her in the back? Is that girlfriend? Oh, I think it is. Yeah, that's his girlfriend right there. Let me see if I can do a zoomy-doo right. Oh, zoomy-doo. There she is. That's his girlfriend. She gives us extra saucies and deals. They flirt, you know. Let's wait till she comes back. There's that bald guy. There she is, all smiley. There's another sauce. Have 5. I got a hood up. It must be really cold in this heated building. 5 numbers. Remember, eat the sauce slowly with your hands. Why are you taping me? Oh, ha ha ha. Yeah, I like to tape people too. It's snowing outside. Oh, you're right. Yes, just pay for your pizza now. I'll give you the extra sauce for free, actually. If you give me a kiss. Oh, well. No, I'll just pay later. Goodbye. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Did she say anything about the fact I was taping her?
She couldn't see.
Oh, she looked like she was looking at me for a second.
You can't even see outside.
Oh, okay. She's kind of looking my direction then. Pizza?
Okay.
It's warm.
Whatever.
Yeah, but pizza $10.
No, it was $6 because it was Tuesday.
They have terror in them. They're all Al-Qaeda. Buy the incredibly overpriced American drugs because they're safe. Am I the only one who sees through this bullshit? It's just... I wonder how much the pharmaceuticals companies had to pay this dick off to get this done.
Probably millions and millions upon millions of our money.
Of our money? At least they can bullshit convincingly, you know? At least they can lie without being completely obvious. Because there's been a problem. It's like, oh, well, what the fuck is that? I mean, it just makes sense. It's like, here's Canada. They're not just completely soaking. They're not bending us over and raping us for drugs here. So, of course, we're going to buy it from them. I mean, you know, we're just, hey, we don't want to, like, you know, spend our fucking ramen money on drugs. Exactly. So we buy it from them. And America doesn't like that. They're pissed off because we're not buying their overpriced shit. And all of a sudden now there's a threat of Al-Qaeda-ness in Canadian pills.
I feel like we just did this like a minute ago.
Actually,
Feed him?
everybody should buy them a lot. That's a
Because
it's all a big
Well, he's fat. Okay. Is with this.
let's see how my car's doing. Look at this. Look at this thing.
I already did.
No, I look.
I saw it. What the hell's with this? There.
Maybe I should be digging out today instead of
So
having to do it
can't.
tomorrow.
There's snow in my car.
This guy's trying to dig out his car.
I'm gonna try and make it forwards instead of going
Poor
backwards.
guy. We're gonna go forwards, not ram into cars, hopefully. Do, 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 do. Boop, boop, boop. But yeah, SUV time. This guy's like, lucky, I have to dig my car out. Wish I had paid for
There
a
you go.
spot.
Oh yeah, that was nice.
You think they're gonna close my work tomorrow?
No,
Wouldn't that be nice?
man, Shaniki should have been here for this.
Yeah, she should have. I'll have to message her and be like, Shaniki, you should have been here.
Let's put the video on YouTube.
Yeah.
As long as you're actually looking at the lens and not videotaping nothing, you know, that might.
I'm looking at the, ground.
How am I supposed to see with cars?
I don't know. Oh, it's a car. Yeah, I don't know. Smash. Look, this guy's got his little blinky doos on. Help, I'm a car. Don't smash into it.
Quest has been complete and we have found an open Culver's by the airport that serves food.